that we have political prisoners. And the most obvious example is the contract prosecution of Samuel Karapetyan. When the Prime Minister tells you you are going to feel the bite of the country, the teeth of this is what you get. So it is shameful. It is a shame on the presidential administration to have engaged in this contract prosecution, and rather than apologize for it, they continue it and they escalate it. But I want to be very clear that this improper conduct by the Armenian government will not stand. And we will take this case not only to international tribunals, but to all of those who can influence this government to give up its political prisoners. Which include high members of the church, and which include the overall attack on the Armenian Apostolic Church, of which the attack of Karapetyan is a part. So I will be going to court this afternoon and welcome any questions that anyone may have. Yes.